Hi guys, I nice to meet you. My name is Andres Frasica. In this moment, I present my proposed innovation. Okay, one, a brief description of the proposed innovation. Okay, the proposal is based on a software which predict based on previous data, the production indicators of your company, and the profits that you could obtain in a period of 5 years. 2. How are you protecting the IP generated from the proposed innovation? For the implementation of the software and protection of your IP, your computer must have an excellent server in addition. Wherever administers the software must not enter page that generates cookies or advertisements which easily open the door to virus. There must be a single person in charge of network and license password. 3. How are you evaluating the proposals? The software proposes an alternative for innovation in companies, being a tool in the projection and calculation of future costs based on past information, inflation in the country, different costs, for example the dollar, and could protect your profits according to the project production. 4. Under which condition are you going to commercialize the value proposal? Initially, the clauses of the license, the buyer must guarantee the code use and good operation according to the above. He could implement improvement if necessary and start to commercialize. Okay, teacher and parents, this all. Thanks, good luck.